Alright guys, the ChatGPT is one of the great helpful tools that you can leverage if you are online entrepreneur. As an online entrepreneur, you can leverage this tool to take your online business to the next level. It is one of the helpful tools that you can leverage for your online business. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get ChatGPT on your web browser. If you want to get it on your web browser so that you can have access to it very quick while working on your online business. So here is how to do that. So let me quickly show you how you can get ChatGPT. So if you are using Google Chrome, so you go to your Google Chrome area here, on the extension here. So when you click on it, it's going to show up. You are going to scroll down here and you are going to click Manage Extension. So right here on this box area here. So at the left hand side here, so you are going to click on this area. So you want to scroll down here and you want to click this area here. So that's going to take you to the chrome.google.com here, where you can download the extension. So you want to download the Chrome extension. So here on this box here, you want to type AIPRN in there. So this is the extension right here. So this extension here is going to help you to have access to the ChatGPT right from your browser. So let's go ahead and download this and download it. So this is it right here. So I want to download it. I want to click on it. And you want to click Add to Chrome here. So now that the extension plugin has been added, so if you click on this area here, you're going to see the plugin right here. So you're going to see the extension, the Chrome extension there. So here, if you want to pin it here, you want to be seeing it on this area, you can just pin it. So it's going to show up right there. As you can see it right there. So if you want to unpin it, you can unpin it here. So I want to pin it. So now that you've downloaded the ChatGPT browse extension, so now let's go ahead and see how it looks like here. So this is it right there. So you can click on it here or you go from here. It's already open. So we're in live right now. We're on the ChatGPT here. So if you want to open it, you can go from here or remove from it. So it is the same thing. So if you want to start new chat, you can go here and start new chat. Here is where you can upgrade. If you want to upgrade to the plus here. So here is where you can change light mode. You can change mode here. So let's say you want to change the mode to from black to white. So the mode has been changed from there. Let's say I want to get it back to black mode. So here the mode there. So here is where you can get facts and update about the open out about the ChatGPT. So if you click here, it's gonna take you to where you can get updates and facts. So here is where you can export chat. You can export your stuff. So here is the ChatGPT for powered here and the community right here. So if you want to join the community, you can join from here. And if you want to log in, log out here, you can do that for this area here. So let me quickly show you how you can use the ChatGPT from here. So here is on this area here, you can, if you want to write one article, so you want to write 100% unique SEO optimized article, you can just go from there. So it's gonna ask you the title of your article. So you are going to type the title of the article there. So let's say for example, the title of my article is so here is where you can set the language. So you can add the language that you like. If you want Dutch, you want Spanish, you want Italian, Portuguese. So for me, I want I want it in US. So here is where you can add tone to the ChatGPT. So which tone do you want him to write this article for you? So you can change the tones. If you want authoritative, you want clinical, cold, confidence, sincere, emotional, emphatic, formal, friendly, humorous, informal, ironic, optimal, pessimistic, playful, sarcastic, serious, sympathetic, tentative. So let me choose confident from here. So here you want to show the written style. So you can choose from all this stuff here. So if you want it to be academic, analytical, argumentative, conversational, creative, critical, disruptive, epistemic, epistemic, auxiliary, informative, journalistic, metaphoric, narrative, persuasive, poetic, symbolical, and that stuff. So let's say I want to choose conversation. So I want this article to be in conversation. It's like I'm talking to my friends or family. So it's gonna generate the content for you right now. So I'm not ready to get this article done. So just gonna you're just gonna click enter on your browser and it's gonna type, we're gonna start the article from there for you. So the article has been generated in less than 1 minute. So as you can see there, so how to do Bible squat, a comprehensive guide. So as you can see, just do the article, narrative article, instruction, common mistake how to avoid, tips for success. So that's the article right there. So if you want to copy it and go over to your website, then you can just copy it from there and it is done. Then you can go ahead and complete the rest article from your website. So let's say you want to do a new shot. You want to add new shot. You can go back here and scroll up. Let's go up here. So here is where you can write human article. Here is where if you want to outrank your competitors. So you can just click here. It's going to ask you to type the competitor URL. So you are going to type the competitor URL, the website, or the blog that you want to outrank. So it's going to help you. It's going to tell you. It's going to help you outrank those blogs. So if you want to write fully optimized article, including facts, you can go from here. Here is one like rewriter. If you want to rewrite some article on your website, you can go from there. So YouTube script creator. So if you want idea about YouTube, so you want ChatGPT to help you out creating captivative scripts idea for your YouTube video. So you can just enter the short description of the video generated title, save an entire script from here. And you choose the language, you choose the tone, and you choose the written style. Right there. ChatGPT is gonna can help you with that. So if you want to write best smart article to attract and go to #1 in Google, so you can do it. To do that, you can just click on it here and type in the title here and tell ChatGPT to help you do the rest. Write best smart article to rank #1 on Google. So all you have to do is just waiting the title for your request post. Just type the title here So that is it. So here is where you can write content. Want to rewrite content, you can do it here. Mid-journey prompt generator. So here is where you can output for extremely details. Mid-journey prompt of the article. Keyword strategy. So you want to do keyword strategy for your online business. You can go from here. Here, one click blog post. Create a blog post in one click. So if you want to create a blog post, you can do it from here. So you go here, you just type the title here, the keyword, have your keywords there, and then you're ready to go. So here is where you can write a complete book. If you want to write a book, you can click here and type the title of the book. Write the tone, the language, and the written style. Here is where you can get a monthly content calendar. So get a beautiful, organized 4-week content calendar that targets your primary keyword using only transition active keyword. So here you can do that. So here is one-click course creator. Here, if you want to create a course, ChatGPT can help you out. Yeah, so this area is designed for course. You want to create a course, you can just click there, the title of your course, and so on and so forth. Here is where you can so here is where you can arrange smart and details article art. So you want to arrange your article. So here, if you want ChatGPT, so on this area, if you want ChatGPT to help you about the hashtag of your title of your article, so it's gonna help you with that. With the hashtag, H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag, and so on and so forth. It can help you it can help you structure your post here on this area. So here is where you can outline for article. If you want outlining for article, you can go from here. So it's going to help you generate a high quality info content for your blog. So here is where you can rewrite article from here. Here is Instagram post carousel. You want to generate Instagram post carousel. You can generate it from here. Just click on it here and go down here. Change the tone, the language, the tone from here, and the style here. That's all. So here is e-commerce generating entirely product description. So here, if you want to generate product description, you want to write product description, you want ChatGPT to help you with product description, it's going to help you out. So you can create a rich and meaningful product description from here. You just click on the box here and you add the title there. So on this box here is where you can try to pass the ad detection tool. So if you want to write a ad generated post on your website, so if you want to rewrite it, you've already written it on your website, but you want to rewrite it, you can just get it from here and add the post there. This area is better content outlining. You want to outline your contents. So from there you can get it. So as you can see right there, there are so many things that you can do with this program, ChatGPT. If you want to take your online business to the next level, ChatGPT is here. It's going to help you out. So if you want to download the Chrome extender, you can just go there to a certain area there, extension, and go from your managed extension. You can download it. It's very easy. And you type ARPRN ChatGPT prompts there. It is very easy. So guys, that's how you can leverage the ARPRM ChatGPT prompts to grow your online business. So I've shown you how you can use the APRM ChatGPT Chrome extension to grow your online business. So if you guys have any question, have anything to say about this video here, please let me know in the comment area down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video.